Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful, elegant and stylish designer style patterns of hand embroidery designs for dresses of baby girls, mid-range girls. Like you can design these very beautiful patterns of embroidery onto the age group of 0 to 24 months, 1 to 2, 1 to 6, 7, 8 years, and even the beauty and creativity of these dresses make them eligible for making the very beautiful patterns of dresses for your teenager girls as well. So decency and elegance are at its peak in these designs, and they are simple and at the same time very beginner friendly design that could be easily made with the help of following simple instructions and just keeping the pace of color combination exactly as you have seen in the video. The video only not contains beautiful patterns of hand embroidery, but the creativity and beauty of these video makes them more creative by keeping in touch that you are going to get different stylized patterns of stitching and styling also in this video collection. So I hope that you have enjoyed and liked the ideas of our today's concern. So do try these patterns and the creativity of these make them more attractive that you can equally use these patterns of hand embroidery for making machine embroidery also. So different baby girls as a visual depiction have been shown to you that how these dresses would look like. I hope the idea and creativity is more clear now. And if you really like them, then please don't forget to subscribe. And guys, I have one simple and mini request to you, and you can consider it as a complaint also that I have been requesting you in my previous videos. And please don't forget to like and subscribe my videos. And I guess you are being slow in that. Keep subscribing us, keep watching us, because with your love and support, we can only continue to grow. And if we lack your support, then we will lag behind. Thank you so much for watching.